Now, I would like to request the Honorable Ambassador of China to Pakistan, Excellency Jiang Zaidong, to kindly come up and say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Excellency Jiang Zaidong.
尊敬的夏巴兹总理，尊敬的各位部长、各位企业家，大家上午好。
Representatives from business
非
sectors.
常高兴要出
It's a great pleasure
农业投资
to
大会。
attend the Pakistan-China
我们经常讲
Agriculture Investment
民以食为
Conference.
天，新年伊始。
At the beginning of the new year and on the occasion of the 75th anniversary of our diplomatic ties, it is highly significant that we gather here today to discuss agricultural cooperation.
我们非常增长的贡献。
Our contribution to the world economic growth is about 30%,
说明啊，
which has fully shown that
在
Chinese
不断地
globalization
世界提供新机遇。
have offered fresh opportunities to the rest of the
我
world.
们也非常高兴地看到
We're also delighted to see that
有力的
under the
领导
strong
之下
leadership of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Pakistan's economy
增长
grew
超过了
by
3%，
over 3% in last year
在2026财年
and
季度
reached
达到了3.7%。
3.71% in the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, outpacing global averages,
而且啊，远远的高于
and also
我的
far exceeding
和
the US, which is 2%, and Japan, which is 1.1%.
非常重要的经济指标
Many important indicators
好的
have had
转变。
improvements. For example, the inflation remained at 4%,
更加的
which
好过了。
means that people have a better life now.
经常账户的盈余达
The
到
current account surplus hit
1亿美元，
2.1 billion US dollars,
22年以来的
the highest in 22 years.
是啊，这个巴基斯坦外汇储备
Meanwhile,
达到
Pakistan's foreign exchange reserves rose to 21.2 billion US dollars, a 4-year
所
high.
以啊，在这样的一个机会，我们也要
On this occasion,
我们尊敬的夏巴兹总
I'd like
理
to
向我们兄弟的
extend our warmest congratulations to Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and to our brotherly Pakistani people.
就是因为啊，我们两国
I touch upon this content because
向心向义
our development
向好，对我们
is
推进啊
steered
两
toward
国的
betterment
合作应该是
and also provide
创造
strong
新的
support
机遇。
and fresh opportunities to our practical
那么
cooperation.
展望2026年，中国将开始
Looking ahead to 2026, China will formulate and implement
将深入
its 15th five-year plan, while Pakistan will advance the Wulan Pakistan
规划。
initiative.
我们两国将共同的落实
We'll accelerate the implementation of the action plan for building a China-Pakistan community with a shared future, released during Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's recent visit to China.
所以啊，在这样的一个大的背景之下，我们
Under such background, we are ready to
推动两国各自
deepen
发展规划
the coordination of our development plans and bilateral action plans
对接，来使啊2026年
to
中法
elevate
交75周年的
China-Pakistan relations to new heights in our 75th anniversary
总体
year.
上，我们将从以下几个
In
方
all,
面进一步
we'll advance our efforts in following aspects. First,
互不保障、元首
we'll
外交
prioritize
我们的
head of
重要任务
state
我
diplomacy,
们要落实好习近平主席
thoroughly
去年2
implementing
月
the
9
important
月
consensus
先后
reached between President Xi Jinping and President Zardari and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif in February and September last year,
加快的构建。
accelerating the building of a closer China-Pakistan community with a shared
那
future.
么第二，
Second,
深化
we will center on deepening all-weather strategic cooperation,
我们要不断的丰富合作的
enriching its
要拓展
content
合作的
and broadening channels,
来推动活动
coordinating a series of anniversary events to deepen our mutual
第五，
understanding.
当然我们还要加强安全的
We will enhance security cooperation and
坚
safeguards.
定支持巴方
We are ready to continue supporting Pakistan's firm fight against all forms of terrorism. In this process,
优先领域。
we'll take agricultural cooperation as a priority
当然
because we are
在努力方
both
向
agricultural
要
nations.
持续地把中巴的
And we aim to
稳定在
stabilize
美元以上，而
bilateral
且我们要
agricultural
继
trade
续
above
让
1 billion US
在
dollars
双边
and
农业贸易
maintain
来
Pakistan's
保持顺畅的
trade
地位
surplus in
当然，
agricultural
在这个过程当
products
中
with China.
我们将采取
Specifically,
积极的
we'll
措施
use
比如说
many
我们要
measures.
拓展订
For
单
example,
合作，
we'll
增加
expand
更多的
contract
产品
farming
种类。
and
第二
diversify the
我们要
products.
拓展
Second,
现代农业的合作，
will
特别是
expand
要用
cooperation of
下巴
modern
总理
agriculture and
倡导的
utilize
千名农业人才
the
培训计划
Southern Agricultural Talents Training Program in China proposed by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif as a
中国
safeguard
加快建设农业强国的
and take China's aim to build up its strength in agriculture
推动发展
to align with Pakistan's
的农业产业
direction
这样的需
towards
求
a tech-driven
我
agriculture
们需要
development.
提高农业合作，特别
We
是
will
帮农作物
Promote
它的
agricultural
产量
cooperation
也要提高它
and
的
boost the
科技含量，
crop yields and also to boost the application of technology so as to
的范式。
expand new paradigm of our agricultural
这样的一个
cooperation.
份
In this very important year, we would like to utilize this conference as an opportunity to consolidate, deepen and
农
expand
业合作
China-Pakistan agricultural cooperation
合作
so as to boost the overall practical cooperation and bring more tangible benefits to our two
开放
peoples
中巴关系更
and expand new highlands of our bilateral relationship. Finally, I wish this conference a complete success,
也祝夏巴兹总理
and I wish
我们各位嘉宾
Prime Minister
身体健康
Shehbaz Sharif and friends here good health and happiness,
中巴两国
and wish our two countries prosperity and everlasting
谢
friendship.
谢大家。
Thank you all.
Now, I would like to request the chief guest of today's program, the Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif Saab, to kindly come up and say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Rana Tanveer Hussain, Federal Minister for Food Security and Agricultural Research, Honorable Federal Ministers, Minister of States, Ambassador of China, Jiang Zedong, Ambassador of Pakistan in Beijing, Khalil Hashmi, Chinese and Pakistani entrepreneurs, agriculturists, experts, and government officials, academicians, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure and an honor to be here at this great event of Pakistani and Chinese business forum to discuss and promote agriculture, trade, investments, exports between the two countries. And for this, I would like to comment the efforts of Rana Tanveer Hussain and his team, Ambassador of China and his team, and of course Khalil Hashmi, our ambassador, and his team, and all those who have really contributed meaningfully to make this conference a roaring success. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is essentially an agrarian economy. Even today, as I speak, 65% of our population, they reside and work in rural areas. And agriculture is the backbone of Pakistan's economy. And its potential is unlimited. The only thing is to put together today's requirements in terms of how to enhance our per acre yield through modern technologies and modern techniques. Alhamdulillah, we have over the years made certain achievements But then it's a long way to go. The government of Pakistan and the provincial governments, along with the farming community, they have to put their act together along with our scientists, researchers, and experts as to how to make best use of water, how to make use of our limited land in the country, and what to grow and what to export, how to have value chain, cold chain, storage capacity, value addition. China is a great friend of Pakistan, a friend who has stood through thick and thin. China has never shied away from providing Pakistan with best possible expertise and technologies. And this was the reason we had the first B2B forum in Shandong in 2024. And then a wonderful event in Beijing in 2025, where Pakistani and Chinese entrepreneurs, both at B2B and G2G, signed MOUs and agreements. The other day I was having a review meeting of these moots, both at Shandong and Beijing. And I was very happy to express my satisfaction over the progress we are making in terms of converting these MOUs into agreements. But then it requires solid hard work, untiring efforts, blood and sweat. Without that, you will not be able to achieve your targets. It has never happened in the entire history of this world. It's all about toil, blood and sweat. Ladies and gentlemen, today's conference is a clear indication that Chinese business houses are more than willing to shake hands with Pakistani business houses and to really convert those MOUs into agreements. Alhamdulillah, one of our finest initiatives of sending 1,000 Pakistani agri graduates from all over Pakistan, selected purely on merit. They went to Chinese best agricultural universities and research centers. And I think as I speak, this 1,000 number of boys and girls have already received best quality training and are back in Pakistan. And I'm sure they will now go to the fields and help farmers in producing more, higher quality, and converting their raw produce into value-added items. That is the challenge, and that is what we are here for today. And as you have heard Ambassador Jiang's speech, wonderful speech, to the point, he was talking about facts and figures of Chinese achievements.